Here we have a ZOTAC 3090 video card that came in for repair. Customer wrote a short description, nice and simple. But this is the kind of video card, when you look at, you lose your mind in 2 seconds. Maybe in 1 second or half a second. The customer said, the PCI edge connector must have short-circuited, caused some burn marks and frying, hoping it can be repaired. I mean, what's a short circuit between friends, right? What's a PCI edge connector between friends? What's burn marks between friends, right? Nothing that we cannot tackle. I don't know if I should show you the video card on camera. Your monitors may break or explode or burn. Or if I should show it to you under the microscope. Put your nuclear mask on, full face mask, embrace yourself, and grab few fire extinguishers. Make sure you are next to a fire hydrant. PCI connector, right? Short circuit. Maybe some burning and frying. Short circuit. What's a short circuit between friends? Look at this. I don't know if the customer is hallucinating or if this is oh, look at this. A cap fell off because we did not turn back of the board yet, and that's the back. Man, we broke the cap for the customer. Look. Oh yeah, we do have damage on the PCIe connector, definitely. That's what the customer is talking about. And we have, oh, those are the fibers from the board, not hair. Do not confuse hair for fibers. I mean, I just had to do a video on this because it's something unusual. But we are not done yet. You have to wait for the best part. One 12-volt connector. Look. There's a big hole on that board. I can play peekaboo with my son looking through this hole. And if you wonder how boards are made, this is a perfect example. You can see all the fibers in the board. Yeah, I mean, PCIe connector, we can fix it, replace few MOSFETs, and we're done. Oh, another component fell off the board. What's going on here? Some connector once upon a time was here, probably. I love my life. I live an awesome life. Short video, what can you do? I'm gonna shut the camera off and I'm gonna start tackling this board, fixing that board for the customer. I'm not gonna show it to you because too obscene. I do not want you to have nightmares while I'm fixing the card, but I'll do it on the side. And of course, invoice and mail it back to the customer, right? I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video. Big Boss is asking if he should throw it in the garbage. He just removed his 6-layer mask. We have another video card here. Hopefully this one is not the same. I do not know what's wrong with this cord, but we'll take a look and see. And I have another video card where the customer thought, let me just add thermal paste all over the cord. That will fix it once and for all. And that's what we have. It's a 4090 gigabyte, no image. And we have a Pro 6000, a $10,000 cord. I do not know what's wrong with this one yet. We're gonna look at it tomorrow. And we have another, which one is this? This is a 3080. And we have another one. $3090 OC Asus Strix. And those are the ones that we have to do by tomorrow.
Better than fast.